All right, quick take a look at how we can use Excel to make that graph of demand data. First thing you do is want to put the price and demand into two columns somewhere on an Excel spreadsheet. Enter them manually, or you can copy and paste from a Word document. Sorry for the background noise there. Then you want to go to charts, or one of the options under charts. If I click it, you should have a tab, depends on what type of Excel you have, but charts and scatter plot. And I don't know how that appears on yours, but once you get there, choosing a scatter plot, just the dots, not a connected scatter, nothing like that, you can click on it and it'll open up empty because I haven't highlighted anything. But to get it to actually graph the data you have to highlight the whole thing, including the titles, because that'll help you. It'll actually show up in your plot as well. But then if I hit on Mark Scatter, click on that thing, it'll plot those dots and call it demand. You'll notice that right now the way it has it written in there, the price seems to be on the bottom if you look at the scale of it, and then the demand itself is on the side. That's backward. So to switch that, you can do one of two things. One, you can change your column order, put them in different orders, or you can actually right-click or control-click on the actual data point itself, and you can say select data, and you can choose to rename those or select a different column. So I think one of the easiest things would be to just change out those columns. So you can always delete it, hit delete. What I'm going to do is take that price column and then do a cut and paste. So if I do cut and paste to the side, I'm going to do it on the other hand. Now I got it returned around. If I highlight again, hit XY scatter under charts, hit mark to scatter. There it is. It's reversed those, and now you have a data chart of that particular demand curve. To get the trend line or the fitted data to this, you want to right-click on the data point, and you want to add a trend line as one of your options. You can choose linear, exponential, power, however you want to take it. I'm going to choose exponential, just because I like the look of those. So I'll take exponential, hit OK. Now I have that trend line in there, looks pretty good. If I right-click on the trend line itself, I can actually format the trend line. I can actually show the data from it, or options gives you things like set the intercept, display the equation in the chart. I would love to display the equation in the chart. So hit OK, and I've got it in there. So if I move this off to the side, you should be able to see that equation, and that's something that you can take the derivative of and find various inflection points or rates of greatest increase or decrease. Now that's one option. I want to try, if I want to do a different trend line, collect a data point, just like this one. Add a trend line. You can choose polynomial as your type and choose your varying degree. As you change it, you can see the graph below, and you can decide what's most appropriate for your data. Second degree looks pretty nice. Third degree also looks good. Fourth degree, you can choose from there. Let me know how that goes, and then get back to me on that.